like that, Jai? Oh, you want to open the biggest one? Okay, here you go.
Okay, here we go. You're here too, Marshall. How you doing, Mommy? And me, I'm never in these, but.
This.
What is it? Do you know what it is?
Legendary tree rats.
Open the rest of it.
What else is there?
What is it?
What else is there?
What is it?
You know what it is?
What?
It's a Wii.
It's a Wii with the Skylanders game.
Okay, can you? I'll play it.
What do you say first?
Please?
No.
Okay, we gotta open the last one too.
Okay.
Then we're gonna eat supper. Then we're gonna play.
Mommy, try to play a game before supper.
We're going to eat our supper first, and then Daddy's going to get
Because
it.
Daddy's got to put it together. Okay.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Do you like this?
I want.
Say thank you to Daddy
Thank you, Dad.
and Mommy
Daddy, Mom.
and everybody else.
You're very welcome, sweetheart.
Chill.
Chill.
What do you say?
Does he have chill?
No, he liked chill. He picked him out the other
Mommy,
day.
I wanted to get Fast and Trigger Happy too.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What?
Whoa, 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 whoa! You got enough. You got lots. You got way more than most kids get.
So what
That's
do you
enough.
say to everybody?
Thank you.
Is that? Okay.
Okay, we're gonna eat supper and then Daddy's gonna put your toy together. Okay?
And there's one present here from Sissy herself.
I don't want to read them.
You don't want to read cards? Our card's boring. Because you're a boy. Well, I'll read it to you. It's your birthday, so hero up. Carter, we love you so much. Love Sissy and Papa. See what it is. What is that? A Skylanders towel for your pool party?
Oh, neat.
What do you think?
Is that Trigger Happy?
Thank you.
Here comes Trigger Happy.
Trigger Happy Inspire.
And Spyro, what's Trigger Happy say?
Wow.
Here comes.
Here comes Trigger Happy. In you.
And fifth.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
How old are you today?
4.
July 16, 2013. He's 4. All right. See ya. Bye.